Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances, and we have something special to share with you. We found the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker, model CRP-LHTR0609FW, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. The CUCKOO CRP-LHTR0609FW is an advanced induction heating rice cooker that serves as a multifunctional cooking appliance. With a 6-cup uncooked rice capacity, it can prepare up to 12 cups of cooked rice, making it ideal for medium-sized families. This rice cooker is designed not just for rice but also for a variety of dishes, thanks to its extensive menu options. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its CUCKOO Twin Pressure Technology. This allows you to choose between pressure cooking and non-pressure cooking, giving you the flexibility to achieve your desired results. If you're looking to make sticky rice, the high-pressure setting will do just that, while the non-pressure setting will yield light, fluffy rice. This versatility is perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with different textures and flavors. Another impressive feature is the advanced induction heating technology. Unlike traditional rice cookers that rely on bottom plate heating, this model uses induction heating that surrounds the inner pot. This means cooking is quicker and more efficient, with evenly distributed heat ensuring that your rice comes out perfectly every time. It's not just rice that benefits, you can also prepare a variety of dishes like porridge, veggie rice, and even baby food with ease. Smart fuzzy logic is another highlight of the CUCKOO CRP-LHTR0609FW. This intelligent algorithm automatically detects the type of grain you're cooking and adjusts the temperature and cooking time accordingly. This takes the guesswork out of cooking, ensuring that you get perfectly cooked rice every time. Plus, with the automatic keep warm mode, you can rest easy knowing that your meal will stay warm until you're ready to serve. The user-friendly LED display panel features 20 menu modes, making this rice cooker incredibly versatile. Whether you want to whip up GABA rice, brown rice, or even scorched rice, the options are endless. This functionality makes it an excellent choice for individuals who love to cook but may not have the time to monitor the cooking process closely. So, who is this rice cooker suitable for? If you're a busy parent, a college student, or someone who enjoys hosting family gatherings, this rice cooker is a great investment. Its 6-cup capacity is perfect for preparing side dishes or family meals without overwhelming your kitchen space. It's also an excellent tool for those who are health conscious, as you can prepare nutritious meals with minimal effort. In practical use, imagine coming home after a long day at work. With the CUCKOO CRP-LHTR0609FW, you can easily prepare a delicious meal in no time. Simply add your rice and water, select your desired mode, and let the rice cooker do the rest. You can even use it to prepare other meals while you focus on other tasks or unwind after a busy day. In conclusion, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker CRP-LHTR0609FW is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly appliance that can elevate your cooking experience. Whether you're making fluffy rice, hearty porridge, or a variety of other dishes, this rice cooker has got you covered. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.